In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in ClickUp. Hi everyone! If you're planning projects and want a clear visual timeline, a Gantt chart is a great way to see what's happening, when it's due, and how tasks line up across your schedule. I'll walk you through the essentials so you can set this up quickly and confidently. First, head to the part of ClickUp where your work lives. That can be a space if you want a broad view of many tasks, or a specific list if you're focusing on a single project. Choosing the right level matters because your Gantt chart will reflect whatever tasks are in that space or list, so pick the one that matches the scope you want to visualize. Next, look toward the top of your screen for the view options. Click View, then select plus Add View. From the view types, choose Gantt and then click Add View. This instantly creates a timeline view for the area you're in. While you're here, you can name the view so it's easy to find later, and if your workspace allows it, you can pin it or make it private for your team or just yourself. Those settings are optional, but they'll help keep your workspace organized. Before your chart can populate, make sure your tasks have both a start date and a due date. The Gantt chart uses these two fields to draw the bars across the timeline. If you don't see a task on the chart, it usually means one of those dates is missing. To fix that, open the task and set the start date and due date to match your plan. Keep an eye on the date range too. If your timeline is zoomed into a narrow window, tasks outside that range won't be visible until you scroll or adjust the zoom. Once those dates are set, your tasks will automatically appear on the Gantt chart. You'll see each task represented as a bar from its start to its due date, aligned on a calendar-style timeline. You can pan across the timeline to view different weeks or months and adjust the zoom to get a high-level overview or a detailed daily view. If anything looks off, double-check the task dates or any filters applied to the view, and make sure you're in the right space or list. And that's how you create a Gantt chart in ClickUp. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.